What's up, guys? Today we're making, oh man, I gotta get it, but I'll just tell you and then I'll show you. We're making turkey and we're using the handy dandy Reynolds oven bags. I think you like it. Hopefully maybe I'll inspire you for your Thanksgiving meal. Alright, so I'm gonna use a tray. I would recommend maybe one of those aluminum ones if you got. Let's see how long it should take. It should take, I don't know, 325, 2 inches from the thing. That's it, preheat to 325, done. That sounds easy. We'll get that started, and then, so, I'm gonna make that sexy naked right now, and I'm gonna be putting some pepper, some paprika, Italian seasoning, and that's all gonna get mixed into some butter. I'm gonna be melting 2 or 3 sticks inside of the microwave because I don't want to do it on the stove right now. And yeah, so we'll show that right now. Alrighty, so I just finished that in the microwave. Impressive, literally a minute and 30 seconds. I cannot believe it. And then, so that paper doesn't tell you how long is it gonna take to roast in the oven. But we'll look right here. Ours is an 18 pounder, I think, if that. Let's see, double check it. Did we get a good deal? Net weight 14 pounds. Oh, it's a baby one, so it'll take even less time. Only $1.48, came out to $20.99. Feed your family on a budget. Alrighty, 14 pound, 2, between 10 to 18, 3 to 3.5 hours. And if you got a bigger boy, it takes a little longer. But that should be good. So we're gonna set the oven to 325 like it says, and then finish doctoring up our sauce. Turkey is in the bag. Now we just gotta put, I like to get this little needle. How do you say needle in Spanish, Karen? I can't even remember. Come on, help me out.
Needle.
Aguja. Aguja. So that's what we'll use to inject some of our flavor inside the turkey. Yet again, so we're gonna be throwing some of these especias in there. And it'll be nice goldeny browned. Alrighty, so this is what she looks like with after that right now. It's coming nice, seasoned, smells great. Definitely would not recommend, well, I mean, I recommend using the spear. I just stabbed the meat and it worked out, and hopefully the flavors will get in there. So now it's time, we'll tape up the bag right here. Not tape it up, we'll tie it up. It recommends doing it weirdly. I'm just going to do it. I like a little steam to come out so it doesn't explode. So it'll be a little looking like that, and then we're going in the oven for 3.5 hours. So we'll check it out, and it should be delicious. That's it. That's it. Done. Alrighty, so I pick it up a little bit, give it a little tie. Boom. Not super tight, right? You still want the air to escape so it doesn't pop in there, but enough to hold it together. Still got a little air pocket right there, and then it'll inflate inside. So pro tip. Get in here, come in. Oh yeah, nice. Pro tip, you want to have your rack not too high and not too low. You want to make sure that if it puffs up, it's not gonna hit the top of your oven right there. So that should be good. And now we wait. Alrighty, 1 hour in. Let's see how she's looking. Like SpongeBob says, 1 hour later. Looking good. The bag is fluffing up a little bit. Not too much color on the turkey. It looks good. Check back in another hour. Alrighty, 2 hours later. Oh, look at that. Coming in nice. If you can see the juices. Keeps them all in there. Practically steaming your turkey. Beautiful. Alrighty. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Time to pull her out. It's been 3 hours. See if I can do this by myself. Let's see. A little bit like that. Don't look at the... alrighty. Nope, not yet. Nope, maybe. Alrighty, that's as good as it's gonna get. Safety first. And how freaking beautiful is that? It's like it, ooh, not too hot. I like how it keeps the juices in there. Beautiful. My gosh, I need to take this bag off. Give me a second. Alrighty, I think I gotta figure out how to do this. There we go. Beautiful. So, I'm gonna take that little knot off right there. You see the steam coming out. Beautiful. And who's ready to cry of beauty? Oh, the other nice thing that's very nice about the bag is that it keeps the juices like in just in a nice compartment for you if you want to use it to make gravy afterward, which I totally recommend. Anyway, back to the show. I want to hear a ooh, ah. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. I can't get it all the way around. Look at that. It's like a picture. Come on, let's use this thing. That'll work. Alright. That looks amazing. And there you go, guys. Bam. Golden brown. Looks good. It's got nice some crispy skin on there. And now I'm just going to let it sit for a few minutes. Let all those juices come back into the turkey. And then enjoy. Alright. If you haven't already done so, hit that like button. Subscribe. And let me know if you want to see ham. Do you want to see sides? I've got some really good sides I like eating. But let me know down in the comments down below, guys. Alright. Till next time.